with the hawkers issue.
Marathon J. Sangma, legislator from Mendipathar in North Garo Hills, addressed concerns over potential outsider influx with the introduction of railways, citing the state's strong land tenure system which prevents non-tribals from acquiring land. He emphasized the transformative effect of the Mendipathar railway station, which has boosted economic growth by enabling local farmers, especially women, to transport organic products to Guwahati for higher prices.
The farmers from Mendipathar, they are getting lots of benefits. Number one is because of the railway station. That is the only railway station in entire state of Meghalaya. So the women especially, they are coming to Guwahati with their vegetables and lots of agricultural products, and they can sell the high price in Guwahati. So there is high demand for that, and the transportation cost of those vegetables bringing up to Guwahati is very less, 30 rupees only for going and coming, 30 rupees. That means 60 rupees they can come and go there.
The Federation of Khasi Jaintia